fix, we ran into a problem: Microsoft Teams error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Try using the web version. Exploring the web version of Microsoft Teams can serve as a beneficial troubleshooting step. This approach sidesteps potential issues with local installations, such as outdated software, corrupted files, or faulty installation. Fix 2. Run the troubleshooter. If that didn't work, fix 3. Clear cache files. Fix 5. Reinstall Teams. If none of the solutions above helped, you could reinstall Teams. Make sure you follow the steps below to do so.